Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to generate commercial carpet cleaning opportunities for your carpet cleaning business on autopilot with a special secret piece of software. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a specialist digital marketing agency for the carpet cleaning industry. We specialize in one thing and one thing only: getting carpet cleaners like you booked out with jobs on autopilot every single month, guaranteed. We're working with hundreds and hundreds of carpet cleaners all over the world, and we're generating them anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 in new business every single month on repeat. In the last 12 months alone, we spent over $2 million advertising carpet cleaners, so we really know what works and what converts. And I started this channel as an opportunity for me to share some of my advice, some of my knowledge through the experiences that we've had working with carpet cleaners like you, so that you too can grow and scale your business and take it to the next level. If you have been watching the other videos in the series so far and you've been enjoying it and you've been getting value out of it, I would like to say that if you currently are interested in working with us one-on-one to grow and scale your carpet cleaning business, to take it to the next level, to get the phone ringing off the hook, currently we are only taking on 5 new carpet cleaners for the rest of this year, and it's going to be a couple of months into 2022 when we do take on the next batch of carpet cleaners into our program. So if you are interested in working with us one-on-one to take your carpet cleaning business to that next level, to get that phone ringing off the hook, there is a link to schedule a call in the description down below. Click on that, pick a time from our availability. You're going to hop on a 45-minute no obligation Zoom call. We're going to basically share our screen, run you through our program and show you how everything works. If you decide you want to move forward at that point, awesome. If not, then that's totally fine. But like I say, this is strictly limited to just 5 carpet cleaners right now for the foreseeable future. So if you do want to work with us, first come, first serve, go ahead into the description and hit the link to schedule a call with us. And let's dive into this training. So commercial carpet cleaning opportunities can be so lucrative for carpet cleaning businesses like yourself. On the plus side, it can be regular work like clockwork. You've got it coming in, number one, which is awesome. Some of these contracts can be into the thousands or the tens of thousands, so it's super high ticket. There's a potential to make a lot of money. The downside, of course, is sometimes it can take a little bit of time to get paid. Some of these people have a 30-day payment thing where you have to wait 30 days from you doing the job to actually collect the money. Like a lot of businesses and stuff like that, you can often find yourself chasing that money. But if you get with the right commercial company, if you get the right contract, it can be very, very, very lucrative and can really take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. The key is, and the big question is, and the big thing that many people struggle with is where to find those opportunities. And so in this video, I'm actually going to pop the hood on a secret bit of software that we found out about, which can really help you uncover those opportunities. It's called D7 Lead Finder, and I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of how to use it and how to leverage it to generate those commercial opportunities. Let's dive right in. There is a free version, but what you probably want to do, it's kind of limited. There is a paid version as well. Now the paid version is super cheap. It's probably something like $50 a month. I forget exactly how much, but it's not a huge amount of money when you consider what you can do with this. I'm actually going to demonstrate now how it works and you'll be able to see for yourself. So first of all, what are you searching for? Let's say we want to find property management. Let's pick a city. I don't know, Los Angeles, right? LA, Los Angeles, California, United States of America. Cool. Hit get leads. It's basically compiling the list here. This is going to take a few minutes. You can see here it's counting down from 3 minutes. Once it's got to the end, all the results are going to come up onto the screen. After you've waited a few minutes, you are going to get the results like this, which is awesome. Now let's just have a look here, right? So I've just looked up property management companies in Los Angeles. So you can see here, I've literally got the contact details of 822 potential leads. And it's awesome. If you click this button here, it's going to take you to their website. This is their phone number. This This is their email address. This is their website. This is their LinkedIn profile. It's their Facebook page, their Instagram, their Twitter, their Google My Business listing. This shows you where they are in the search. This is whether they're running paid ads, and this is the reviews that company's got. So you can leverage this, do you know what I mean, in terms of like generating commercial jobs in a number of different ways, right? Number one, you could have your front desk, if you've got a back office or whatever, literally cold call these people. That's option one. You could basically download this list as a CSV file and upload it into some email marketing software and email all 800 on autopilot instantly with an introduction email or something like that. And I mean, it's just a numbers game. If you email 800 and just 1% gets back to you, just 1%, right? So 99% say no, right? If just 1% reply and you get a job out of it, commercial job, that's still 8 commercial jobs. That could be worth tens of thousands of dollars. So you could download the CSV and email them all on autopilot. You could go and reach out to them on LinkedIn and make a connection, make an introduction that way. You could hit them up on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, right? There's a number of ways here, because you've got, just by clicking on this, it will bring you to all of these profiles. There's a number of ways that you can get in front of these. And it's just simply a matter of then, like I say, using some automated email software maybe, or, using, if you've got a receptionist or somebody in the back office, to kind of take the time to go and reach out to these people on the various platforms, social media platforms, maybe follow them on Instagram, comment on one of their posts, shoot them a little DM. And like I say, the person that takes the action, that makes the effort on all of these 800 opportunities, is the person that's going to turn these into actual commercial jobs. The other cool thing that you can do, if you know anything about paid advertising, you can actually download this as a Google Ads custom audience or a Facebook Ads custom audience and run ads to these companies about your carpet cleaning business. So that's pretty awesome as well. So look, I don't want this to go on too long. This is a great little bit of software. It's not very expensive. It's called D7 Lead Finder. Look it up. Search property management or whatever your ideal commercial clients are, your town, and it's going to give you the contact details for absolutely every single person that matches that type of business in your town. You are going to have all the contact details, their phone number, their email address, all of their social media profiles. You can download that as a spreadsheet, Excel or CSV, and you can automate an email to go out to these people. You can reach out to them on Instagram, Facebook, so on and so forth. And like I say, put the effort in, you're going to reap the rewards at the end. With a little bit of work a day, you could end up, by utilizing this software, get yourself a ton of commercial jobs. So I hope you enjoyed that video where we walked you through our special software to help you unlock commercial carpet cleaning opportunities in your area. Like I said, if you have been following us so far and you've watched all the other videos and you'd be interested in finding out how we can work one-on-one with your carpet cleaning business to take it to the next level, head into the description. You'll find a link in there to schedule a Zoom call with us where we'll walk you through everything and we can talk about working with you on a one-on-one basis to get your phone ringing off the hook and take your carpet cleaning business to that next level. Like I said, slots are limited to just 5 carpet cleaners for now. So this is going to be first come, first serve. Head into the description, click the link, schedule a time, and yeah, really looking forward to meeting you and showing you guys what we can do to take your carpet cleaning business to that next level. See you in the next video, guys. The next video is going to be out in a couple of days, and really looking forward to sharing some more tips, advice, hacks and cracks for your carpet cleaning business. See you soon. Peace.